SOS reported its full-year fiscal results today. The company's revenue increased by 612% to $357.8 million, while its gross profit increased by 62.1% to $21.1 million. These results demonstrate the strong and effective execution of the company's strategy, mainly due to rapid market expansion and the addition of crypto mining and commodity trading operations. The company is focusing on 6 product lines, including insurance marketing, telecom call centers, bank call center, SaaS services, and cryptocurrency mining. These lines are experiencing strong growth, with their insurance marketing increasing 34% to $65.9 million year-over-year. The company is profitable for the first time in 2019, thanks to their successful cryptocurrency mining business. They generated revenue from their mining operations in Wisconsin this April, which is responsible for a significant increase in general and administrative expenses. GAAP operating loss in EPS is reported, which is compared to profit of $4.9 million. This could be a sign of things to come for the company, as they continue to make successful investments in their product lines and grow their revenue.